Hey, so I'm here with Eldec. We're an induction heating specialist where they've incorporated our FlexArm on there to help position their tool. So I'll turn it over. He's going to explain it to us a little bit.
Yeah, so the induction heating system basically has a flexible output, but the challenge is always how to position it and how to handle the weight. So the folks at FlexArm helped us to come up with a design to allow us to freely move our equipment. So basically what we'll have here is an output transformer mounted to the arm, basically weight neutral, essentially. So it allows us to bring that to whatever position we'd like to bring it to.
How hot does the end of that tool get?
The actual end of the tool is cooled,
really?
So it gets to maybe 120 degrees. Nothing.
So how's it
warm.
heating the material then? Just
magnetics.
Oh, really?
So it creates a high frequency magnetic field.
It's a law of induction.
oh wow.
So relatively fast. Only use about 7 kilowatts for this demonstration. And I mean, without a tool balancer, doing this for 8 hours is almost an impossible task.
Oh, right.
Tool balancer really helps, or the arm. And so far, I mean, yeah, we would like to actually have had this earlier.
Yeah.
So
that's great. And obviously, if you guys ever need to, if a customer has a special application where we can customize this really easily to make it even easier, or just to improve ergonomics.
Yeah,
that's cool. That's an awesome demo.
Yeah,
I love that. Wow.
All right.